Welcome back to our special series where we feature some of India's most admired brands. And our next story is about a Gurgaon-based company called Blackberries. It is one of the leading men's fashion brands in India. A journey that started from a garment company to now a well-established contemporary brand like Blackberries. The two founders, the brothers actually, have really set some high standards when it comes to building a successful business. So let's take a look.
From the boardroom to nightlife, Blackberries has been an integral part in defining the stylish men of today who are ambitious, fashion-forward, and an inspiration to their peers. Known for its impeccable fits and design, Blackberries is credited with many firsts in the country, including importing finest fabrics from the world. Wrinkle-free khakis to certified whitest shirt in India. Addressing to the burning drive of the progressive men, the brand today stands as the one-stop shop for formal, ceremonial, casual and hipster fashion wear with the brands Blackberries Formal, Blackberries Casual and Urban. Present in over 350 cities in India, Blackberries today operates more than 280 exclusive brand outlets and 800 plus multi-brand outlets, making fashion accessible to aspiring and driven men. Mohan Clothing Company Private Limited, famously known as Blackberries since 1991, is a curator of fine clothing and wardrobe essentials for the quintessential man of today. Complementing the complete men's wardrobe, Blackberries bring forth a range of contemporary accessories that are suited for every occasion, including formal, casual or party. The collection is a comprehensive offering of footwear, belts, shoes, ties, bow ties and pocket squares that are sophisticated and chic. Nikhil Mohan is the founder and director of India's leading men's fashion brand Blackberries. In 1991, Nikhil Mohan, along with his brother Nitin Mohan, pictured the idea of men's leading fashion brand Blackberries and turned their vision into reality. Nikhil's brainstorming ideas and the ability to maintain stability has taken Blackberries to great heights, which today stands with a turnover of Rs 900 crore. Nitin Mohan is the founder and director of India's premium men's fashion brand Blackberries. Nitin has been involved in crafting the product and design strategy from the initial stage and has been looking after the functioning of supply chain and retail operations. Under his vision, Blackberries grew from a garment company into retail and now into a fashion company.
Blackberry is one of India's most admired brands when it comes to menswear fashion, and there's a variety of product portfolio that you offer at an affordable price. So how has the journey been so far?
We are extremely focused on the product, on the innovations, and we've taken our time to build the brand. It's been a 29-year-old journey. Product along with focus on consumer has helped us in this journey, moving progressively every day, and that's been really exciting.
And Nikhil, tell us something about your product portfolio. You have suits, blazer, accessories, even footwear, so many different things.
So in the heart of our product portfolio lies our ability, focus and passion for fit that makes a person taller, younger, slimmer. I mean, we would want to believe that, because our garments envelop the person, which gives him a greater throw, greater personality, and that is why he keeps coming back to us. So whether it is whatever be the product line, that is our key aspect, the fit. Fit should enhance his personality. And thereafter there is, we are finicky about the detailing of the product, starting from fabric, the cut, the trims, and we would go to a great extent to discover the best or what is next in our products. And in fact, product is the legs on which the brand is standing. And it has been there for now 30 years and people come back for it. It is a pure, the intrinsic value of product versus the price that he pays, our product weighs very, very favorably.
And how many stores or franchises do you have?
So we are largely company owned, company operated, where we are responsible for the experience to the consumer. So at the moment about 320 plus stores put together across major metros and tier 2, tier 3 cities.
Nitin, you have also, entered tier 2 and tier 3 cities and you're focusing there. So what has been the sales implication of this move of yours?
And would not say that we are focusing only on tier 2, tier 3. In tier 1 we are reasonably well entrenched, so we have to up our game there, continue to improve the experience, continue to improve the store ambience, the services that we provide to our consumer. In tier 2 and tier 3, there is opportunity to grow, there's good opportunity to penetrate. The consumer there has a lot of aspirations, there is good value there, and it's exciting to take the brand to these towns and interact with the consumer.
Another level, internet has actually removed this tier 2, tier 3 connotation, so their aspirations are up there. It is only the availability wasn't there. So we find one, ready market, and second, the costs are definitely better, so it makes sense for the brand to be there. You also you catch the customer early and build the customer.
What's your work culture here at Blackberries?
So as you see, this is a brand new office. We use for this office are practical, it is rooted, there is something very earthy about it. It is not luxurious or plush. I mean, that's the way we look at a lot of greenery. You see this open brickwork, so there's a certain earthiness about it, and what we have tried to do in terms of culture is that we encourage walking up to your supervisor instead of having cabins and things like that. So we have done away with hierarchies, or it is more flatter, it is more friendly, approachable, more collaborative. And of course extremely pleasant, so there is a jump in the step when people walk into the office. It's a new exciting place to work, to build career.
There is a degree of energy and vibration in this office, and with that thought we that was the guideline to the architect, and also a degree of boldness, and all of this flows into the merchandise that we create. So really, for the large team that operates out of this office, all our aspirations reside here, and this is our platform that allows them to springboard into real business.
Nikhil, what are the brand values of Blackberries?
We solidly believe in each person is responsible for their own growth. So personal upgradation is a very important piece here. To make use of the dynamism that is available with this young team, ability to take quick decisions and to implement them fast, learn from the mistake and change track. These are, say, agility in short, is something that is extremely valued. Integrity, which is fundamentally valuing or honoring one word. So that is completely uncompromising as far as going by the value is concerned.
What do you think is the USP of this brand?
So we have a very deep understanding which tells us that our consumer in his ever evolving journey, he's looking for a partner. He's looking at somebody who works with him and guides him to dress him up for his moments of success in his journey. So this allows us to approach things, including the merchandise, including the store experience, very differently. And I would say this is our edge, the burning drive that we have.
Where do you see Blackberries 5 years from now?
One thing that we are very deeply engaged in is creating the purpose for the brand. So while the business aspirations, the top line, bottom line, all that's life as usual, but what we are focusing on is our ability to ensure that our customer, we make him smarter, handsome every day, and in the process we are able to make him feel loved in the world by his near and dear ones. So our journey to being a purpose brand is going to begin very soon.
Well, that's a wrap for now on our special series where we feature some of India's most admired brands. Hope you enjoyed and also got inspired after listening to these amazing success stories. So until next time, stay tuned to CNN News 18 and thanks for watching.